How to track order on Alibaba. To track your order on Alibaba, follow these steps. First of all, open the Alibaba app or go to the alibaba.com and make sure that you are signed in using your credentials. Now, once inside the Alibaba, all you have to do is tap on the My Account option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the Your Orders or My Orders option available there. Once you tap on the My Orders, you'll be navigated to your order sections. At the top tab, you can see there are various options like shipping, delivery status, order ID, shipped ID, and many more. Or you can simply tap on your order available there and check your shipping status. So here, this is not my order. This is my previous order which I kept in cart, which is expired, so I cannot see this shipping details. But if you have the correct order, then you can simply tap on the track order available right there, and you will get to see all the tracking number and the courier company shipping updates and many more. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.